Every now and then, something truly unique comes along in the tech and gadget world. Today, it's the new Google Pixel tablet. Far more than a portable screen, Pixel tablet comes with a special charging and docking station that has a speaker, so your tablet instantly becomes a smart home hub, too. I recently received a pre-release Pixel tablet from Google to try out, so in this post, I'll show you what you're getting, how it works, and what kind of special features Google's built in here to make it truly unique. I'll wrap things up by telling you if I think I can recommend the Pixel tablet for you. Let's do a quick unboxing. Under the hood, you'll find the sleek, slim, and very lightweight Pixel tablet. The device itself measures about 10 by 7 inches and it's less than half an inch thick. It weighs just 17 ounces or about a pound or 493 grams. It feels quite light but not at all cheap. The back has a nice matte finish that's easy to hold, and Google calls it a nano ceramic coating. The front LCD touchscreen is nearly 11 inches across with an anti-smudge coating and 2560 by 1600 resolution. Also in the box is the fabric-wrapped charging speaker dock, which is kind of self-explanatory, but we will get into some of its cool features in a moment. The battery in the tablet is supposed to last about 12 hours, even if you're using it to stream. Getting this tablet set up was as simple as setting up almost any other Google device that I've tried. Power it on, connect to Wi-Fi, and then follow the prompts to install your Google account and your Gmail. I was ready to rock in probably less than 5 minutes. You can also set up fingerprint unlock, which uses the power button as a fingerprint scanner. Setup for that was easy, and unlocking it this way was actually quick and natural. Probably the most unique thing about this tablet concept is while the tablet is completely portable, it's also designed to dock with that included charging speaker dock and turn into a de facto home hub, not unlike the Google Nest Home Hub. It's actually pretty remarkable how identical these two devices are with the hub on the left here, and Google's engineers no doubt put some blueprints on rinse and repeat. The shape and concept is largely the same, but Google has made the tablet to break away. While the Nest Hub isn't portable, this very clever Pixel tablet concept allows you to have two devices in one. The tablet docks magnetically onto the base, and the connection point is made clear on the back using 4 small dots. It clicks into place easily. Detaching it is only slightly less easy. You need 2 hands to remove it since the base is lightweight and the magnet is pretty strong. The charging speaker dock itself is fixed and the tablet can't be adjusted on it. There's no tilt or orientation swapping. After spending a few minutes with it, my first thought was that it's kind of a bit of a shame. It would actually be nice to be able to reorient the tablet either vertically or horizontally, but as it is, you only get one angle and one placement, and that is horizontal. I can definitely see Google taking this a step further in version 2.0 maybe, and giving us something like a swiveling speaker base that has a lot more movement, not unlike something maybe like the Amazon Echo Show 10, but I digress. When docked, you need to choose a screensaver or the tablet will go dark. Google tells me they're still playing with what's called hub mode so that you can get more information on the screen at all times. But for now, if I didn't have a screensaver on, the screen would just go blank. Turn living room lights on. You can, of course, also invoke your Google Assistant from the device like you'd do with any other Google Home Hub or your Pixel phone, asking questions, getting information, making notes, setting timers. You get the idea. Google Home is also installed here, and in tandem with the Google Assistant, you can also control any of your smart home devices that you have connected to the Google Home ecosystem. The Assistant will work whether you're holding the tablet by itself or whether it's docked on the base station.
Anything about the ground that stands out to you?
The dock also lets you use a feature called audio transfer, which allows you to listen to audio on the tablet, but then when you leave it on the dock, the audio will automatically switch to come out of the dock speaker.
That's just man-made to me.
During my testing period, this feature actually worked really well. I did wonder if the dock has any capacity to function as a speaker all on its own without the screen, kind of like something like a Google Mini, for example. Google says it doesn't, but that in a future iteration, it might. So what's it like using this as a tablet? Well, it's a lot like using a Pixel smartphone. It comes loaded with most of the same apps and programs, so you can do a lot more on a larger screen. You can check your Gmail, manage your Google Home, your smart home, watch Google TV, surf Google News, listen to podcasts, and more. Tablets can sometimes be too big and awkward to be enjoyable to hold while using, but I'm happy to say the Pixel tablet is nice to hold and easy to read whether I was holding it horizontally or vertically. Google has ensured that a good number of key apps, and especially Google's own, have been optimized for use on the tablet, so you're not just getting a blown up version of a Pixel smartphone app, you're getting a lot more. WhatsApp, Google Home, Chrome browser, YouTube, and Canva are just a few examples.
What are you going to do about Kane?
Mason can never find out.
You can also watch TV shows and all kinds of video content on the Pixel tablet, use the pre-installed Google TV, or download another favorite app from the Play Store, including Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, and a lot more. I will point out for some of you out there that Apple TV is perhaps not surprisingly excluded. The screen's great for watching content. Its longer design works well for both horizontal or vertical content like YouTube Shorts. You can also connect headphones like the Google Pixel Buds Pro and listen privately, or dock the tablet and let the speaker take over. It's not that uncommon for families to share a tablet among a few family members, and Google makes this easy with individual accounts. Each user can sign in with their own Gmail account for their own personalized experience and their own settings activated by their own fingerprints. I set up both myself and my husband on the tablet here, and we were each able to access our own mail and other preferred settings.
Sure, yeah, no, I think
Video calling has become extremely popular thanks to the rise of video-enabled screen devices in the pandemic and post-pandemic era, like the Google Nest Hub and now the Pixel tablet. Google has made sure that this tablet has a few features which are going to make it even more seamless, you could say, to use for things like video calling. Google Meet comes installed, and you can tap to open it or ask your assistant to do it. Meet works in conjunction with another feature called continuous framing, where the camera will automatically adjust the lighting to keep you well lit. You can also download and use Zoom on the Pixel tablet if you prefer. A feature I have not spent enough time exploring is the multitasking and split screen features. There are more than 50 Google apps that are optimized for the Pixel tablet here, and it can run multiple apps simultaneously, letting you split screens and make multitasking a whole lot simpler. I tested it out by opening YouTube on one side and my social feed on the other, and it's easy enough to manage, if a little more unfocused than I usually want to be, but that's a me thing. Overall, Google has taken all the best features of the now iconic Pixel smartphones and made them bigger and, thankfully, better. On the Pro side, the tablet is beautiful and nicely designed with a matte, grippy back, and it has a lovely, colorful, high-resolution screen. An anti-smudge coating on the front actually does seem to make it look less sticky than my other tablet. It's lightweight and easy to hold and easy to carry around. I love the fact that Google has created another completely new product category too, basically breaking the Nest Home Hub apart and making it way more useful. It comes with all the Google apps and services that you could possibly want or need, and then some, and you can also add a huge variety of other apps and services, so you can basically live both inside and outside of the Google ecosystem. On the con side, it's kind of hard to find something to really hate on here. Some folks may not love the long and narrow design of the tablet, but that would be personal preference. It does take two hands to remove the tablet safely from the dock, but again, requiring an extra hand is hardly a hardship. I would like a future iteration of the docking station, though, to have some kind of motion to it, and I promise not to ask Google for any royalties if they do decide to take my advice on this. The other thing I think is more of a missed opportunity than a true downside is that the dock should really essentially also function as a Google Nest Mini, working on its own as a speaker and as an assistant device without the tablet to make it twice as useful. Nitpicking aside, I've really been loving my time with the Google Pixel tablet, and I can definitely recommend it for you. The Pixel tablet starts at about $6.99 Canadian, which does include the docking station. If you're getting the tablet, why not jump into the Google pool a bit deeper? Check out my review of the Pixel Buds Pro or see what the new Pixel 7a smartphone is like right now.